Let's have a look at our styles and tag activity here. Now at the top, this little A with a pencil is our styles, and these ones next to them are our tags. There are actually more tags than these three icons. You will need to tap and hold and then drag your finger across the screen, and you'll be able to see the more tags option where everything lives inside of here. So let's look at styles first. These three are the styles that I want you to have a go at. And styles are basically like preset ways we want our text to look. So this one here is quote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the and drag out to the end. And because this is a quote, I want to change the style of the text. So I'm going to click down on styles, and I'm going to scroll through until I can find quote, and there it is there. So we select quote, and we can see that our text changes to be appropriate. Again, I'll do the second one here with you. So page title, I'm going to select the and double click again, drag through the other way, there we go, to weather cycle. And then I'm going to come up, sorry, let's grab that again. There we go. And we're going to come up here to styles and find page title. There it is right in the middle. And we're going to select, and that will change as well. I want you to have a go as well at changing this one here to heading 2. So let's have a look at tags. Here you can see your very first tag. It's a little white box, but if we click that little white box, it gets a tick in it, as if to say done or completed. And I can click on it again and that tick will disappear. So for this example, we kind of have like a list here. So I maybe want you to read an example, brainstorm your ideas, draw an idea, then explain your idea. Now, I might want you to check these off as you go to show that you've done each one of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click where the R is and make sure that my little cursor is flashing in front of it. And I'm going to come up here to the little checkbox and select. I can then just go down to the next one, and we can keep practicing that by selecting each time. So we'll draw and we'll practice one by one so we get used to it, and explain in front of it again. And there we go. So as I finish these, I might check them off as I go. Let's try another tag activity, because there's more than one tag, and I've chosen this little star tag, which means important. And we might use that to remind us of something that's important, or maybe even to identify a correct answer. So here we've got which animals live in the oceans. I've got whales, starfish, and ant. So I might do the very first one for you here. I'm going to click in front of whales. I'm going to come up and select the little star icon, and that'll put a little star in front of it. If you get asked to use, or you want to use a different icon, at the top here I can scroll over, drop down, and choose something different if I wanted to. Maybe something is really important or critical, so we'll select this one, and you'll notice that that will also go in front as well.